See, this is made wrong. Seam's in the wrong spot.
Oh, really?
Seam's supposed to be back there. Fred knew that. He's screwing with me. Look at that nice air cleaner though. Original.
I think I was pointing it out that you have two different cowbells. No,
Yeah, I got junk and I got good ones, right?
They have the same ding to them.
Ding, 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 ding.
This is like.
Oh, this is perfect. Okay, where's the fork tubes at? These are fork tubes we're using? Forkum tubes.
Forking tubes.
Is there a dampener in there?
I don't know.
Where's the dampener at? It's right there.
Are we putting that in there?
Yeah.
And now we got to take that end off?
No, that's already installed. We don't take it out. Does that one have one in it too? Be nice if it did. All right, look at that. Well, that's a brand new one. Look at that.
So what do we do next?
Well, we take off the junk and you slide the thing through the hole. You take all the leftover crap we're going to use and throw it back in the box.
Take off the junk. This here?
We need this piece, or this piece here. This piece here is what's inside the fork already, in here. So you don't need any of this. Just take all this crap off. Take this off.
Yeah, but is this just twist off or what?
No, it's frozen. You have to take this piece off. Put in the vise, hit the hammer lightly, pops right off. Might put a little something on there, but don't script the thread. We need to keep the good thread. And we need another foot piece. I gotta go find me a foot piece. Do we have any foot pieces around here, do we? Are there any foot pieces in here that we found extra? Another box? In that box. What's in this box? Ooh, we got chain in this box. Ooh, oh, there's a shifter I need for my bike. There we go. Look at that. That was for my bike. Yep, there we go. That's for my 57. That's an original. Perfect. Except the problem with that is chrome. Yeah, I hate chrome. That's what they look like. But ugly because it's chrome. Somebody butchered it and chromed it. But that's going to go on my race bike. Because I don't have anything else yet to put on it. At least I don't think I bought anything else. When I find a nice crappy looking rusty one, I'll put that on my bike. Because I don't like chrome. Okay, I'm going to find you a foot piece. And we got to find a brake drum. Did you find the brake drum yet?
No.
Oh yeah, I need a brake drum too. Well, there's one right there. It's on the damn brake there. Chrome plated and everything. That means we're gonna need a tool. Dumbass, go get the right drawer. That ain't it either. What drawer was it? I thought they were in here. They used to be sitting in here. That means they must be in back someplace. Tools are missing. Now you gotta find me a foot piece. More junk around here. Nope, that ain't it. Where am I at? I got lost. Let's see. Oh, right here. There we go. Foot piece. Found one. Looks brand new. Perfect. Here's some more crap. I got a all this junk right here. Yeah, that's more than one handful. That's more than a handful. That's 2 handfuls. We're taking all this crap, going back east with it. Back here. And I found some more parts. Here's some more nuts, in case you didn't like those nuts. Here's some more nuts. But there's a brand new one of those, if we do need. 77 and 99, that won't work. It's metric. That's too good for this bike. So which one of these chrome ones are we going to use? These two look like they're horrible. Let's use those. Are those metric thread? Look. If that screws into it, it won't work on a tube. See if these fit in the tubes. Metric ones don't fit in American holes.
Looks like it's going to fit.
That must not be the right one. That's correct, so it has the breather hole in it. So's that one, it's got the breather hole in it. These have to be correct.
Well, that was...
That one fits perfect. What's the problem, Fred?
Oh, sloppy and shit.
Oh, vintage.
You might have, because you beat the crap out of it.
Did somebody modify the threads on this part?
Because you're beating the crap out of it, throwing it around.
Somebody modified the threads on that? It's hard to believe that it could possibly happen to a Harley part. I got to back up.
If you throw it
There we go. How about that one? You like that one
Throw
better?
it in the pot and make sure this red's getting more
There's
charged.
another one over here. There you go.
We don't need to take this one apart because that piece is off, right?
This stuff is inside the fork. It's a good thing we're not using none of these parts in your 49 because you don't know how they go together.
I don't. Seriously.
Did you get that off yet?
No, I was getting ready to hit this with a hammer.
With a hammer, you got to strip the thread.
No, I'm gonna hit it with a. I'm gonna do it like that.
You get a hard dowel pin on a soft piece of crap. Where's your steel bin? Where's your steel tool out?
You have a better idea?
Yep. Where's your tools? One of these.
Yeah.
One, not two. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, it ain't moving. It's just moving a little bit.
CRC.
What happened to it?
Right here.
Got a can there? Hey, got that can. Perfect.
This one?
Yeah, it works. Use it.
Hit it with a damn hammer.
I am. I was waiting for you. Where's your hammer at? Get it.
Done.
Broke it. Look at that. I need this piece off now.
What are you doing with that? I dropped it.
What's this hook piece thing over here?
I'm trying to wash it with that. What are you doing?
I want this piece. I don't want this piece.
You think I can hit it with CRC and it'll come apart?
I don't think so. Looks pretty damn solid to me.
You've been touching a long time.
It's vintage. I think we need two instead of one now. Find some more. Next hot spot for junk. Doop, 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 doop. Tubes. Oop, way over here. Looks like we already scavenged this area. Ooh, we might need that. We need this junk. Nope, nope, nope. Looks like we've already been through here already. No, looks like someone already got here first. We got this piece though. On brake part. Yeah, looks like spores of crap. Let's see. Shouldn't be over here, but we'll take a quick look just to make sure. Oh, my light went out. There we go. Nope. Nope, nope. Front end crap. Nope. Nope. Not gonna work.
There.
Did you get it?
Of course.
Sure. Nope, I didn't go there. Perfect, we need that piece.
And here's that.
What's this? We don't know this crap. Take that off.
You dropped something.
Yeah, take the rest of it off. Need a bare tube.
What do you mean take the rest of it off?
We need a bare tube. That stuff's already in the front end.
Okay.
Don't screw it up though. It's worth a lot of money to somebody.
Huh.
It's hard to believe.
All right.
Where's the rear wheel? Before it gets too much heavier. We need a rear brake assembly.
Is that clean enough for you?
Yeah, as long as it goes through the hole. Working on it. coming. Put it in the vise. Put it in the vise.
That far enough out?
Nope, put it in the vise. Comes out about 5 inches. Don't hit that, it hurts.
Oh.
Wake you up.
Take it back out again. Broke something.
Yeah, I fixed it.
Broke something.
I fixed it. Whatever that piece of crap was that came off.
That's the end.
Get 2 birds at once. Look at that. That rust almost got in the way. Freed it up, Fred.
Looks like it's a wiener.
Wiener.
Wiener, wiener, chicken diener. Looks like new.
Here's a new.
I'll put that one in there.
Nope, that didn't go in there. Where's my top cap?
Right over there.
Both of them?
Yep.
One. Is
Cut it.
that our favorite one today? Tighten her up.
That'll work.
Hey, don't lose those parts. We need those.
Cross over. Shit.
Ugh! There, it's tight.
Must be a bushing or anything, or
Nope.
gasket, or
Nope. 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 Nothing.
okay, well, here's all these other parts.
Where's your fork?
What do you want these other parts?
Where's your slider at?
Sliders right there.
Nope. Nope. Losing parts. This piece goes on there though. Could go on further than that though.
You need to put some more CRC in. You're gonna get your down to your seat there.
Some more squeegee in there. That's all right. That's all right. You know what fancy crap in there.
Just beat around the rust, man. Beat around the rust.
There we go. Good to go.
Do a section.
Surgical implant. Where's your nut? It's done. Watch out for that.
Same thing keeps catching me.
It does. Dangerous.
You take the nut off and leave it over there?
No,
or
I
what?
got the 2 hammers.
Huh?
I got the 2 hammers. Over there somewhere. 5/16 nuts. Fine thread.
One of these?
Yeah, fine thread. 5/16. It's one you took off, remember?
I didn't take it off.
Oh, they're sitting there. Use those.
5/16.
You need a wrench. We get a wrench.